Hi everyone, my name is Michael Van Sickle, and welcome to my course, Exploring Go Modules. From the very beginning, Go has striven toward simplicity. To a large extent, that pursuit has led to many impressive features that has made Go programs easier to create and consume than other languages. Unfortunately, however, its track record isn't perfect. Go's traditional project management structure, called workspaces, runs into problems when multiple applications try to coexist. Things get especially challenging if multiple versions of Go are required to work with those programs. In this course, we'll be learning about the new module system that is designed to replace workspaces and, at the same time, correct some of the deficiencies that they suffered from. Some of the major topics that we will cover include the history and characteristics of the module system, the primary workflows for creating and maintaining modules, and how to work with versioned dependencies. By the end of this course, you'll know how to create module-based applications that are stable and maintainable. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with the basics of the Go language. I hope that you'll join me on this journey to learn about Go's module system with the Exploring Go Modules course at Pluralsight.